Good morning, everyone. Happy Christmas Eve. How is everyone doing today? It's Christmas Day tomorrow. Who is excited? Ooh. So, it's our last day. So, let's have a look and see what's in the goodies today. So, I'm going to start with the first one, which is the nail art one. First, as with all the other videos. So, are you ready? Ooh. Oh. Twinkle star sequins. So they are little stars. How cute are they? So you have the cutouts, and are they? Are they mixed? I think they're iridescent and like the. Yeah, they are. They're iridescent and the like the reflective ones. So you get 3 grams. These are nice. So here we go. I like that you've got the like cutouts as well. I like that. So yeah, they're like, yeah. I'm trying to figure out if there is iridescent ones in there or whether it's just, I think it's just me. When they shift, they look like they're see-through. Wow, very, very nice. So that is what that looks like. And the last glitter mix. Oh, it's come to an end. So let's have a look. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, so Charlie has made this herself. That's why it says only available at Charlie Nail Art. So this is Arctic Wonder. Now that is nice. I wonder what's in this glitter mix. So if you want it, you're going to have to go to Charlie. So this is 4 grams. So let's have a look and see what Charlie's been mixing this time. Charlie makes really, really nice mixes. So when it says on the front, only available at Charlie's, it means that she's mixed it herself. She's certainly got an eye for it. Okay, right, are we ready? Ooh. Oh, now that's nice. Very, 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 very nice. I'm trying to get it to separate a bit. Okay, this one's going to be a bit hard. Let me get my dotting tool. Okay, so we have hexagons, bits of mylar. We have metallic blue. We have other hexagons in there. I'm not sure, but that is beautiful though. Look at that. Right, I will swatch the final 2 and then yeah, I will be back shortly. Okay, see you in a minute. Bye. Okay, this is the swatch here. This glitter mix is so nice and so easy to use. It's really, really pretty as well. Wow. That is stunning. Look at that. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, Charlie. This is beautiful. It's one beautiful, beautiful mix. Colours together. And the mylar as well. Wow. Look at that. That is stunning. So let me pop that in the lamp. And I also did a little design with the twinkle star sequins. I just used a sticker from Charlie's and yeah, just did it over a pink background. Didn't do anything fancy, just something really, really quick. Okay, well that's it. That is the end of the advent calendars. So let me know your thoughts. do you like everything? I have to say I like everything. I've really enjoyed it. I love it. I really love everything. Everything is just so nice. I really do. The glitter mixes are stunning. I love the whole like array of different stuff as well. Really nice. So I think what I'll do is I think I will do like a quick clip video, maybe in one of them shorts things. I don't know yet. Just so what you know, you can recap all of them all together in a short little video, because I'll do one for Instagram anyway, so I'll share it here. So again, that is the glitter mix. Wow, it's so pretty. Just look at these. Wow. Well, let me know your thoughts on these two and past ones. Do you have a favourite? Can you remember all of them? So yeah, what I'll do is I will post pictures of these at the end, and I will do like a quick sort of clip video of all of them all together going through the days. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've already grabbed some or whether you've waited until now to go and grab some. And let me know if you have the calendars yourselves and what you thought about all the different stuff. Yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have. Well, that is it. Tomorrow is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas everybody. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and yeah, just enjoy time with your friends and your family, because as we all know, life is very precious. And yeah, well, thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I hope you have a lovely day tomorrow. And yeah, I will speak to you all soon. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.